Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of growing your own food but felt limited by space, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to reveal backyard farming secrets that prove you don't need acres of land to produce a big harvest. Even with a balcony, patio, or small yard, you can grow more than you ever imagined. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing practical tips that will turn your small space into a thriving mini farm. And if you're looking for more guides and step-by-step help, check out www.mydagrifarm.com, your trusted resource for natural, sustainable, and homegrown living. The myth about space. One of the biggest myths about farming is that you need wide open fields to make it work. That's just not true. In fact, some of the most productive gardens are tucked into tiny backyards or even apartment balconies. The secret isn't space, it's strategy. Once you know how to maximize every inch, you'll be amazed at what you can harvest. Secret 1. Vertical growing. When space is limited, grow upward instead of outward. Vertical farming is one of the simplest ways to multiply your harvest. Use trellises, hanging baskets, or wall planters for crops like cucumbers, beans, peas, and even strawberries. Not only does this save ground space, but it also keeps plants healthier by improving airflow and reducing pests. Secret 2. Container gardening. Containers are perfect for small spaces because they're flexible and mobile. You can grow tomatoes in buckets, peppers in pots, or herbs in recycled jars. The key is using quality soil and consistent watering. Containers also let you rearrange your garden to chase sunlight or free up space whenever needed. Secret 3. Succession planting. Most beginners plant once and wait, but smart gardeners use succession planting to maximize harvests. That means as soon as one crop is done, another takes its place. For example, harvest your radishes in spring, then replant the same spot with beans for summer, and later switch to spinach for fall. This way, one small bed produces food for months. Secret 4. Companion planting. Companion planting is another powerful trick. Some plants naturally support each other by improving soil, deterring pests, or boosting flavor. For example, basil and tomatoes make perfect neighbors. Carrots grow well with onions, and beans add nitrogen that helps leafy greens thrive. With smart pairings, you can grow more food in less space without extra effort. Secret 5. Microgreens and herbs. If your space is truly tiny, don't underestimate microgreens and herbs. Microgreens can be grown indoors on a windowsill and harvested in just 2 weeks. Herbs like mint, basil, parsley, and rosemary take little room but pack huge flavor. These small crops provide quick wins and constant harvests even if you only have a single sunny corner. Secret 6. Raised beds. If you have a little backyard space, raised beds are a game changer. They allow you to control soil quality, improve drainage, and pack plants closer together. Square foot gardening, where you divide a raised bed into sections, is one of the most efficient ways to grow a variety of crops in limited space. Secret 7. Smart watering. Small spaces often dry out faster, especially containers and raised beds. That's why efficient watering is critical. Drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses ensure consistent moisture without wasting water. Even a simple watering schedule with mulch around your plants can make a huge difference in productivity. Secret 8. Grow what you love. One of the most overlooked secrets is to grow what you actually eat. There's no point filling your garden with crops your family won't touch. Instead, focus on your favorite vegetables and herbs. Not only does this save space, but it also ensures you'll be motivated to tend to your garden and enjoy the harvest. For more simple gardening tips and resources, visit www.mydagrifarm.com. It's designed to help you grow more with less, no matter the size of your space. The benefits beyond harvest. Backyard farming is about more than just food. It's about self-sufficiency, sustainability, and connection. Growing your own food gives you confidence and peace of mind knowing exactly what's on your plate. It reduces stress, provides gentle exercise, and can even bring families closer together as you work side by side. The harvest is great, but the lifestyle is even greater. And your balcony isn't too limited with these secrets. You can grow a surprisingly large harvest and enjoy the satisfaction of producing your own food. Farming isn't about the size of the land, it's about creativity, care, and consistency. Thanks for watching. I hope you're inspired to turn your own little space into a thriving garden. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more backyard farming ideas. Thriving garden. Remember, no space is too small to start, and every seed you plant is a step toward a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Until next time, happy planting and happy harvesting.